This Garmin Vivoactive 5 smartwatch is packed with features to help you stay on top of your health and wellness. It has a vibrant 1.2-inch AMOLED display that can last up to 11 days on a single charge. Beyond displaying time and notifications, the Vivoactive 5 offers comprehensive health monitoring, tracks your sleep quality with sleep score, and advanced insights. Monitor your body's energy levels with body battery, and manage stress with relaxation reminders. Built-in sensors measures your blood oxygen saturation and hydration. Vivo Active 5 shines with built-in GPS for tracking workouts and over 30 preloaded sports apps, including walking, running, cycling, and swimming. It analyzes your training to provide valuable insights like training benefit and recovery time, helping you optimize your workouts. It has sleek and lightweight design